Hi guys, this is Arjun and now we are riding on major district road from Ooty to Keralamkundu Falls. Yeah, and the Keralamkundu Falls is a less explored falls. Only few localites over there must be knowing it. And here we are now going to explore the less explored falls. Falls is situated in Malappuram forest in the Kerala state. It is about 126 kilometers from Ooty. As you can see, the roads are very beautiful. We got splendid curves, and every rider can enjoy the curves while cornering and all. But be safe while cornering. Look at the beautiful scenery beside the roads. The road is seriously good. Till Keralamkundu, the road remains the same, and you can find the beautiful scenery beside the roads like tea estates. Finally, we have reached the Malappuram forest. You can see the off-road, and there is a small passage of water, and that's me riding on 200 NS black, and followed by Malli, and those two guys, Veeresh and Basu, walking, and that's Anand riding on 180, also 180. The lazy fellow and the horse shit riding on bullet, and he was the last person actually that day to reach. And this is how the road remains till Keralamkundu Falls, and you can see this is how the falls look and the top view of the falls. These are some shots shot through DSLR, OnePlus 5 and iPhone and all. Yeah, you can see the falls, milky white water, and to get here also you have to walk for some while, for some distance, and to get into the water, like it is actually a pond like thing. You have to catch ropes and all, and you have to get down, and the rock is very slippery. You have to get down very carefully. With the help of those ropes you can get down. And that's me. This is Arjun. He's staring at the camera. And that's Jed, a great adventure. And that's Simha. Yeah, and that's my riding squad. All these are my friends, and all these guys had been to Keralamkundu Falls along with me. Thank you guys for being with me. Actually, this is my first motovlog. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and please do subscribe and support.